There we go. Pretty much all packed. Well, got all my gear, just need to put it in. That's the real challenge. It's got a bit of Tetris, a bit of Jenga. Beard's probably going to get pretty long as I paddle down the river. Hopefully it looks after itself. So got all my gear for the long paddle trip here, or at least most of it. Might add a few last minute items, but I think I'm pretty organised so far. Just talking through it, mainly so make sure I got everything. Down here you got a tent, a tarp and a hammock, shelterware, and then bedding, a quilt, sleeping mat, a couple of liners, sheets, probably too many clothes, all there, cooking kit, nice chopping board, utensils, things I need for campfire cooking, and a stove, and my water system, which is probably excessive. Got, what's that, a 10, 2 and a 2, 14 and a 3, 17 litre capacity in bladders, 18, 19 litres, probably too many in a spare thing, but gravity filter and life straw, got aqua tabs as well if I need to treat it, miscellaneous gear section, first aid, goods, saw, poo kit, electronics bag, solar charger, slack line, and rigging equipment, super useful. Then you got fishing rod, tackle box, laptop in the watershed. Thanks Bruce Baxter for giving me that, dude. Old faithful handbag with go-tos, shoes, rope, PFD, skirt, sea kayak, paddle. That's about it. Be a good one to remember if I'm missing anything. But we'll see.